Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, what I'm going to be showing you guys is a front-end PPF system that we've installed onto our demo car, which is a 2020 model Ford Mustang GT 55 edition. If you want to see this car, you want to see the quality of the PPF that we've carried out, feel free to come by. This vehicle is on display, ready for you guys to experience and see exactly what you guys are going to be getting. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Other than that, guys, let's get started. Hopefully you guys have found this video useful. You've seen us applying PPF onto our demonstrator. If you want to see this vehicle, you want to experience it, feel free to come by, visit us. This car is always on display, ready for you guys to see it and actually touch and feel and experience the car. We've also done loads of other upgrades, which there'll be loads of videos. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit the subscribe button below. But if you're interested in getting PPF, protecting your asset, feel free to get in touch. Other than that, guys, thank you very much. We look forward to upgrading your car soon.